Hello and welcome to another update video about BNB. BNB continues to hover correctively in this resistance area, which I consider a wave 4 with one more low projected currently. That's at least my assumption as long as the price stays below $218. Either way, we need to see a first 5-wave move up to confirm that something more bullish is going on. At the moment, it's purely just moving up in resistance in a structure that we defined, ABC. And one more low still seems to be likely. It reached our previous target here around $203, then reacted to it. And now we think there should be another move down. Or we shouldn't say we think, but the analysis suggests that there should be another low in the region between $184 to $200. This is a key target area. We came very close already. And this is the area where this wave 2 could finish. But it's only the potential, because in the alternative wave count, which is the red one, we get a projection of, first of all, down to $140 roughly in this red third wave, which should then be followed by a fourth wave and one more low in a fifth wave. Yeah? This might still be subject to change, but there is a more bearish projection out there. Let me just change that. There is a more bearish wave count and projection out there that I suggested before. I highlighted to you, this drop could get much more ugly. Yeah, and yeah, I mean, this is not unlikely. If Bitcoin really sells off once more and it breaks below $184, then the red wave count will play out most likely, and it could be quite an ugly one, okay? So that's just the risk on this chart. But first of all, I think we pay attention to resistance, which goes all the way up to $218. Pay attention to the descending trend line, which is coming down here, which was quite meaningful before. You can see that here. The nomadic chart has a similar trend line. It has reacted down here once more. And let's see if we touch it again, and a break above the resistance that I highlighted, above the $218 level, would suggest that we also break above the trend line and resistance. They basically come together, right? But yeah, we would then need to look at the structure. You know, if it takes it higher and then also breaks above the end of August high, and we can see 5 waves, then we may say that the low might be in, but that would be a break above $235 eventually. So there's a lot of work required still. At the moment, this just looks corrective. Not enough evidence that a low is in. And bear in mind also here, yeah, we're now entering a phase where there was a lot of consolidation before. You might call that a breakout point on the micro level here. For anybody who's interested, this is around $215, $216. A potential neckline of an inverse head and shoulders pattern that we're spotting here. And if this level breaks, yeah, it certainly could take it to that end of August high. It wouldn't be too surprising, yeah. But that's completely decoupled from the question if we have formed a lasting low, because that's not, don't have the evidence for that at this stage. But there's a potential for a bit of a breakout here higher, right? Because this could form an inverse head and shoulders. And if we use the measurement of the head, so you get it to a measured target of potentially roundabout first $227, $228. Maybe it will even push a little higher above the end of August high. We will see. Now, I'm not telling you this will happen, but I'm highlighting, okay, anybody who, who likes breakout trading and everything, there's nothing I would trade, but anybody who likes breakout trading, this is a potential to watch, because that break, above that level could come with a break above Fibonacci resistance and a break above the descending trend line. So could potentially be short-term at least quite powerful, but that's just something for maybe intraday traders. Nothing that is really meaningful on the larger scale. That's my update about BNB. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.